Welcome to Improve Instantly. In today's video, we're diving into Mediterranean diet overview. Whether you're looking to embrace a healthier eating pattern, understand the benefits of the Mediterranean diet, or find practical tips and recipes, this video will provide you with the tools and insights you need. We're here to help you overcome common challenges with diet planning and achieve your goals with practical, actionable advice. Stay tuned till the end for a quick actionable cheat sheet on Mediterranean diet overview. Section 1. Why this topic matters. Understanding the Mediterranean diet overview is crucial for achieving a balanced and healthy lifestyle. The Mediterranean diet is renowned for its numerous health benefits, including heart health, weight management, and overall well-being. Many people are attracted to this diet due to its emphasis on fresh, whole foods and healthy fats. For instance, studies show that adhering to the Mediterranean diet can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease and improve longevity. By focusing on this diet, you can enjoy a variety of flavorful, nutrient-dense foods and experience significant health improvements. This section will explore why adopting the Mediterranean diet is beneficial and how it can lead to lasting positive changes in your life. For example, incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats into your meals can enhance your overall health. The Mediterranean diet can contribute to better digestion, improved cognitive function, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. 8 essential tips for embracing the Mediterranean diet. Tip 1. Incorporate more fruits and vegetables. Fill your plate with a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables. For example, add a side of mixed greens, tomatoes, and bell peppers to your meals for extra vitamins and minerals. Tip 2. Choose whole grains. Opt for whole grains over refined grains. For instance, swap white rice for brown rice or quinoa to increase your fiber intake. Tip 3. Include healthy fats. Use olive oil and other healthy fats in your cooking. For example, drizzle olive oil over your salads or use it for sauté vegetables. Tip 4. Eat lean proteins. Focus on fish and legumes as primary protein sources. For instance, enjoy grilled salmon or a chickpea salad to boost your protein intake without excess saturated fat. Tip 5. Enjoy nuts and seeds. Incorporate nuts and seeds into your diet. For example, add a handful of almonds or chia seeds to your yogurt or smoothie for added nutrients. Tip 6. Flavor with herbs and spices. Use herbs and spices to enhance flavor without added salt. For instance, season your dishes with basil, oregano, and garlic to add depth and taste. Tip 7. Moderate dairy consumption. Choose low-fat or Greek yogurt and cheese. For example, use Greek yogurt as a healthy snack or incorporate feta cheese into salads. Tip 8. Practice mindful eating. Eat slowly and savor your meals. For instance, take time to enjoy each bite and listen to your body's hunger cues to prevent overeating. Section 3. Overcoming common challenges. Even with the best tips, challenges can arise. Common obstacles include finding Mediterranean ingredients, adapting recipes to your taste, and sticking to the diet consistently. For example, some may struggle to find specific Mediterranean ingredients at their local grocery store. To tackle these, consider substituting with similar ingredients, shopping at specialty stores, or exploring online options. Addressing these issues will help you maintain adherence to the Mediterranean diet and enjoy its full benefits. Quick actionable cheat sheet: Mediterranean diet overview. Incorporate more fruits and vegetables. Add a variety of colorful produce to your meals. Choose whole grains. Opt for brown rice, quinoa, and other whole grains. Include healthy fats. Use olive oil and other healthy fats in your cooking. Eat lean proteins. Focus on fish and legumes for your protein sources. Enjoy nuts and seeds. Add nuts and seeds to your snacks and meals. Flavor with herbs and spices. Enhance your dishes with fresh herbs and spices. Moderate dairy consumption. Choose low-fat or Greek yogurt and cheese. Practice mindful eating. Eat slowly and savor your meals. Conclusion. To wrap up, remember that Mediterranean Diet Overview is all about embracing a balanced, nutritious eating pattern. Incorporate these tips into your routine to experience the full benefits of the Mediterranean diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.